Hello guys, I hope you guys are all doing good. Welcome back to Bosque's FX Forex Group. If you are new here guys, welcome to the family. Just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss our new content when we upload our next video. In today's video guys, we're going to give you a simplified explanation on how to use order blocks in these two different time frame, which we are going to talk about is H4 time frame and H1 time frame. So many people get confused when they see something like this. As you can see, this was our previous previous lower high here, and then the market have given us an engulf. As you can see, this was our engulf and another structure breaker here. As you can see, this was our previous higher low, and the market have given us another engulf here. Now guys, many people get confused on which direction they should trade on. So guys, we are going to give you a simplified explanation on how to use these two time frame using order block. So let's start with our painting explanation. So as you can see here guys, this is our H1 time frame and this is our H4 time frame view. So as you can see on our H1 time frame, it's different with our H4 time frame view, meaning the dealer here have done a more of consolidation. And as you can see here, this was a more of consolidation, but on the H4 time frame guys, as you can see, we have rally, base, rally, and then the dealer just came back to take the orders at our order block and shift the market. So many people get confused here guys in H1 time frame. So this is what we want to give you a simplified explanation to know what to look for. So as you can see here guys, let's say the market have created a rally, base, rally. The next thing you want to see is the market to break the previous high, creating a new high. And let's say the market does not break the previous high, and then it will create a lower high here, and then the price will come down and take the orders at our order block and shift the market from that zone, and now they will break the previous high, lower high, creating a new high. Many traders of retail trader will now start buying here guys, and then the market will induce them going back to our order block, taking the orders, and the traders who were buying here, they will blow their account, and then the market will shift going up again. So what you have to do is, if you find your order block in H4 time frame guys, you have to wait for that zone in our H1 time frame, meaning you have to label the zone and you wait for it in your H1 time frame. You do not trade in the middle of the price. Wait for the price to come to our order block and shift the market from that zone. So meaning, let's go and show you the examples in our chart. So as you can see here guys, firstly we'll go to our H4 time frame, and as you can see, let's just clean the chart so that you can have a clear view. So as you can see here guys, as you can see, while the market was going up, it have taken out the previous high, creating a new high, and also as you can see, this was our previous high here. As you can see here guys, as you can see, this was our previous high, and this is our engulf, and here we do have a rally, base, rally, and then the dealer just took the orders from that zone. Why? As you can see, this is where our order block area was at. As you can see, this is a a bullish engulfing candlestick. That's where we look for what? For buying orders. And the market shifted the market shifted the price with what? With a compression, meaning this will not be a nice price approach going way up. This is where the traders will be trapped at. So meaning we do not trade compression, wait for the price to go and hit that compression, meaning you were going to wait for the price to go and form the information. And as you can see here, guys, if you are not going to take this, let's say they have taken out our trades at this order block, we're going to wait for the market to go and engulf, meaning engulf the previous low, higher low. As you can see, this was our previous higher low. Also, this one was our previous higher low. But as you can see now, guys, here we do have a what? A drop based drop, meaning that's where we look for what? For sell orders. And as you can see, the compression was clean, and now the compression was cleaned and the dealer came back to the previous what? To the previous order block area. As you can see here, that's where our order block area was at. That's where you wait for the price to come and take the orders. And now if you go to what? To H1 time frame, you can see this is a compression. We do not trade compression, but if you do trade compression, you have to wait for the price to break the previous high. And as you can see, the previous lower high, as you can see, this was our previous lower high. And then when the price break the previous lower high, you draw your trend line something like this, which I have done in our what? In our H4 time frame, as you can see. So you measure the first touch with the second touch, and this is our second touch. So you were expecting the dealer to come back to our previous order block, and as you can see, this is our order block area, this zone. Yeah. So meaning you are expecting the dealer to come and touch the trend line and shift the market from that zone. Now let's go to our what? To our H1 time frame. Now as you can see, you were expecting the dealer to come there. You now minimize. Why? Because here is another order block, and this one is a good one. So if you minimize, you do not trade this, guys. You wait for the price to come, and as you can see, the price did come and take the orders and shifted the market from that zone. And also they have taken out this previous what? This previous higher high, creating a new what? A new high. And then the dealer just came back. And now let's go and look for order block in what? In our H4 time frame. And as you can see, the order block area zone was this one, guys. As you can see here guys, as you can see here at this zone, that's where we do have order block zone area. And as you can see now, let's go to our H1 time frame. You now see this will be a nice order block zone area, this one, but price didn't reach that. Also they were trapping at our what? At our trend line. So if we do not understand how to trend with trend line, you were going to wait for the market to come. And as you can see, this was our previous low. They did come there where we can find our order block, and the market shifted from that zone. And now the market went down. Why? Because while the market was going up, it went up with what? With compression. So you have to understand, when price give you a compression, they have to clean that compression with what? With fast move. That's why here, guys, as you can see, they have given you fast move, breaking the previous what? Low, higher low, creating a new what? A new lower low. And then here, guys, while the market was going down, it have created a drop based drop, meaning that's where our order block zone area is at. And as you can see here, guys, as you can see, that's where the market just came back to take the orders and shifted the market from that zone, going where? Going down there where we can find our order block zone area. And then the dealer just went up, and as you can see here, guys, as you can see here, guys, we do have a new engulf here in our H4 time. So we do not look for trades in the middle if there is no a rally based rally, meaning this one was not a nice one. Why? Because the price approach was a fast move. The price approach which you have to wait for is this one. As you can see here, with what? A drop base drop, meaning this was our what? Our previous higher low. So that's where we look for buy entries now. And now, as you can see, while the market was going up, it have created a what? A rally base rally, meaning at this zone area, guys, at this zone area, that's where you look for what? For your buy entries, guys. That's where you look for your buy entries, and the market will continue going where? Up. Why? Because they've also taken out the market structure. This lower low was taken out by this lower low. Why? Because the dealer was coming back to the previous order block area. As you can see, this was our order block area zone. That's where the dealer just came back to take the orders, and then they shifted the market from that zone. And now the dealer just took the previous what? The previous lower high, creating a new high, meaning the price have to come to the previous what? To the previous low. And this is our previous base area. Now let's go to what? To our H1 time frame and see if we do have a order block. And as you can see, guys, this is our order block zone area, and at this zone is where we expect to look for what? For buy entries. So I hope you understand, guys. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you not miss our new content when we upload our new video. Thank you.